Nothing could prepare you for this. Like, it is just such a cool experience. You never know exactly how it's gonna go. You don't know what the route's gonna feel like. So it's really just come, experience, live it.
I think that's what Highlander is, like love and support.
The ultimate hiking adventure, Highlander, is consistently growing and bringing people from across the world together. In 2022, the first Highlander event in the United States took place in Big Bear Lake. More precisely, in the jewel of the San Bernardino National Forest in the heart of Southern California. The inaugural event welcomed adventure-seeking hikers, all hoping to enjoy a life-changing experience.
Listen, I'm super excited. I met the Highlander folks, has to be over a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and we had this idea of bringing Highlander, this adventure hiking, to the United States, and it was a big idea, it was bold. Finally, we're here.
I feel like it's really, really exciting to be part of something that we've never had in the States before, and to see the robust history of all the other Highlander events, to be a part of the inaugural groundbreaking event is so exciting.
It's cool to be part of a global movement within Highlander as well. Like, bringing this to the United States is perfect. And I'm ready to tell you all about where we should go in Washington and Oregon and move it up there too. But we plan to be participants for a long time, and we'd love to be a part of the original series in Croatia and be able to experience what the grassroots movement of that hike is.
Hiking around these untouched parts of Southern California's alpine paradise was an opportunity of a lifetime for those taking part in it. The picturesque terrain varied from mountains, valleys, and canyons to lakes along the 3 routes that hikers got to choose from Highlander 60, 30, or 15 miles.
One of the things that is important to me is to have goals. And so when this came up on my calendar, kind of the radar for me to see it, I said that's a goal that can get me out of the house and help me stay focused on staying in shape and exercising and things like that. And that's exactly what it's done.
This has been amazing. No question, the routes have been just like spot on, easy to follow, still adventurous. So it's been amazing. And the crowd that we've had it's been a good crowd.
I signed up for Highlander so I could get out in the woods with friends and remind myself how strong I am and capable I am, and just remind myself that I can do hard things. You know, once you're a hiker, you're always a hiker. Sometimes you need a little reminder.
One of the main goals of Highlander is to get people to step out of their comfort zones and away from their daily routines to challenge themselves and find simple joys in the mundane things. During Highlander, no one checks their phones or emails because they're spending that precious time enjoying the company of other backpackers surrounded by the tranquil and untamed wilderness.
Our job is to get people off the couch. So whether they're hiking, biking, running, obstacles, doesn't matter. We have to get them off the couch, turn off the TV, take away the phone. So Highlander is just part of that whole mission.
Currently, I'm a software developer, and so I spend all day at my computer. I'm either at the house or at the office with, the nature of our world today, but I'm always sitting. And so this gives me that excitement to get up and get outdoors and get some movement and get some exercise. And I really love that because we have such a beautiful world to go and explore.
Just come out here and completely disconnect, but in a shared way. Is something that I've never really experienced. Like, no one's on their phones, no one's texting, no one's calling, no one's charging, no one's like, where's the charger? It's like everyone's just very present. And I love that about the outdoors, and I love that this event makes it accessible to people because the outdoor space can be really intimidating.
Hiking is an extraordinary activity by itself, but the sense of community is what enhances the Highlander experience. During Highlander, participants are encouraged to share knowledge and advice and help each other. Everyone is part of the same team, the Highlander team.
The hiking community, there's nothing like it. I'm 48 years old. I've met a lot of people in my life. I've had a lot of close friends. The hiking community is one where you just have an understanding of what you love most. Nature, we spend a lot of time out here. We feed off of what it gives us. We know that we have an opportunity to live on this beautiful planet and take advantage of this. Not a lot of people understand that, but we do, and that really brings us together. So we may be from different places, we may be different people, but when we're together, we feel the same. We feel like a family.
I know all the people, but it seems like so many are coming together, if that makes sense. It's like we're just drawn together. So I came with a group that, might have had like maybe 4, 5, 6. I think we're like about 15, 18 now, something like that. So that's just been amazing to be able to sit down and maybe, enjoy some meals together, but also get out and spend some time on trail together and really get to know each other.
It was really cool, and I didn't expect this, to have such a community kind of be constructed out of this group of people. I mean, every day you're cheering people on, having conversations on trail. Everybody is so willing to give. If someone doesn't have a water bottle, here's my water bottle. You ran out of water, here's some water. Hey, are your feet okay? Do you want a new pair of socks? Like, that wasn't something I was expecting when I signed up, but that is something that'll keep me coming back.
Anticipation was huge for Highlander to come to the United States, and it was very well attended by people from all walks of life coming together. Families attended the event, providing inspirational stories of bonding.
Kind of a special deal to be part of it. We didn't have any idea what Highlander was before a few months ago when we were looking for a longer adventure and happened across Highlander through Spartan, and now we're here enjoying ourselves. The community here is a very special community. There's not very many events that you can go to, and everybody's friendly and everybody wants to talk and everybody wants to hang out, and we found that especially nice here.
It's pretty great bonding father-son time. Good to hang out with him, kind of get away from mom and from the house. I think it's pretty cool to go outside with him and just be around him.
Highlander's first U.S. event set the standard as it challenged the hikers' bodies, shook up their routines, and made them discover their Highlander spirits. Every Highlander at the event felt the camaraderie and unity, so everyone is already looking forward to the next edition.
I feel like Hercules right now. I could just accomplish anything with the mental strength that I've been through. Like, anything is just possible now.
Without a doubt, I'm coming back next year. There's no question in my mind. Like I said, I want to do anything I can to be a part of it, whether it's just coming back year after year, whether it's actually, maybe being a part of it in the future. But I mean, there's no way that someone that's been here and been to one of these events wouldn't want to be a part of it moving forward. Absolutely.